With the increasing use of drives in combination with microelectronics, electromagnetic compatibility is becoming more and more important. It is therefore essential to take EMC into account early on in the equipment and system planning stage. Today I will be using a G120 to demonstrate an EMC-compliant layout. This is the layout divided into zones: infeed, busbar system, circuit breaker, line contactor, power supply, SINAMICS G120 consisting of a power module and a control unit, terminal strip, and at the bottom, the EMC rail. First I'll pull the cable out of the socket area. Then I'll strip the PTC cable and cut away the shield, leaving around 1 cm in place. Crimp the excess shield over the outer jacket. Then seal it with a shrink-on tube or a rubber grommet. Using a bolt clamp, place the cable on the EMC rail and tighten the clamp. Strip the cable and attach it to the terminal strip provided for this purpose. Now let's move on to the motor cable. First take a measurement, then strip the cable and cut away the shield, leaving around 5 cm in place. Again, crimp the shield around the outer jacket and seal the end with a rubber grommet or a shrink-on tube, so that around 2 cm of the shield remain visible. Now shrink the shrink-on tube with a hot air gun. Now we can put the cable in place. Bend the supplied frame hinge around the cable, insert it into the shielding plate, and tighten it with the screw. Now strip the cable leads and install the wire end terminations. Then clamp the cable leads onto the motor plug and reconnect the plug. Place the cable properly in the cable duct. Make sure that the cable is laid between the control and load circuits. Finally, use a bolt clamp to relieve strain on the motor cable. Follow the same steps to apply the frame hinge to the signal cables. Make sure that there is good contact between the frequency drive and mounting plate. It should also be noted that the connection between the drive and mounting plate covers a wide area. Do not use coated mounting plates for retrofit systems. Follow the same procedure for stripping the motor cables. It should be noted that EMC screw connections are used, which ensure an optimum connection between the shield and housing. As you can see, by keeping a few principles in mind, it is relatively easy to implement an EMC-compliant drive installation.